to the Department of Education. He began as a provisional substitute teacher from 1987 to 1992, serving at Tumagobok Elementary School, Sayao Elementary School, Argao Elementary School, Pintakay Elementary School, and Bui Elementary School. He later became a permanent Teacher 1 at Binunga Elementary School from 1993 to 1997. Through perseverance and passion, he rose through the ranks, serving as Teacher 3 at Duyay Elementary School from 1997 to 2001. Head Teacher 3 at Mainit Elementary School from 2001 to 2005. And Pampangalon Elementary School from 2005 to 2008. He then served as Principal 1 at Don Severino Lardizaga Memorial School from 2009 to 2012 and Bantay Elementary School from 2012 to 2015 before becoming Principal 2 at Guac South Central School. His leadership and unwavering commitment profoundly shaped the lives of countless students, teachers, and communities he served. Beyond his professional achievements, Sir Edwin was a man of warmth and character. He found joy in music, nahilig pong kumanta si Sir, watching television, and raising chickens, fondly declaring that man of his life. Known for being strict, yet kind, generous, loving, and thoughtful, he was a fighter and achiever who remained goal-oriented in all aspects of life. His humor and joyful spirit brought smiles and laughter to those around him. He is lovingly survived by his wife, Delia Emada, and his children, Sheila Marie M. Mali, Ana Marie M. Jason, and Charo L. Mangalos, who will forever cherish his love, guidance, and sacrifices. According to his family, Sir Edwin may not have always spoken every word of his heart, but his love was revealed in every sacrifice, every quiet effort, and every sleepless night. He taught them that life is not always easy, but strength lies in rising after every fall. He showed that love is not only spoken but lived, providing, protecting, and guiding without expectation of return. Be strong, be kind, and never give up, for everything you become will forever stand as a living proof of His love. These words will always be remembered as a reflection of his enduring legacy. Sir Edwin will be remembered not only for his outstanding service in education, but also for the love, strength, and inspiration he gave to his family and all who knew him. Though he may be gone from our side, his memory will forever remain in our hearts.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpapakilala, Ma'am Janicel. At sa punto kong ito, dadako na po tayo sa pagbibigay ng mga may espesyal na mensahe sa mga taong napamahal sa ating minamahal na yumayan. Sino ba siya bilang kaibigan, bilang katrabaho at kasamang guro, at higit sa lahat bilang magulang? Bilang isang kaibigan, ito ay katatampuhan ni Ginoong Pablito L. Alcover, ang aming pong retired Public Schools District Supervisor sa Timog Buwak, para sa pagpapatunay ng kagalingan ng ating lima.
To the bereaved family of the late Sir Edwin L. Nodla, his wife, Maringel, their daughters, Sheila, Ana Marie, and Charo, their grandsons and granddaughters, and also their sons-in-law. To DepEd Buwak South, to DepEd Family Buwak South District, and to all, good afternoon. Sorrow fills our hearts this sad moment. A sorrow that is deep and personal, as Sir Edwin has silently closed the door of his life and departed from us. To the family circle of Sir Edwin, please accept our deepest sympathies. Our hearts and prayers are with you at this difficult moment. Nang una kong makilala si Sir Edwin, ay napakadaan ng loob ko sa kanya. At sa bandang huli, nalaman ko na ang naging asawa ng aking kapatid na babae ay pinsang buo pala ni Sir Edwin. At kung babalikan ko ang aming mga pinagsamahan o nakaraan ni Sir Edwin sa distrito ng Buwak South, kami ay nagsama ng more than